Hello everyone, this is Anne from BOGOS. In this video, I'll show you how to display BOGOS offers on your store pages built with Gempages. Before we begin, make sure you have both BOGOS and Gempages installed on your Shopify store. Also, don't forget to activate both apps in your Shopify theme. First, set up your offers in the BOGOS app and create your pages in Gempages. Then, in the Gempages app, open the Gempages editor. Go to the Shopify app section, find BOGOS, and drag the BOGOS blocks into your page. Please note that BOGOS blocks currently can only be added to product or product list elements. You can now add and display a variety of BOGOS offer blocks on your Gempages pages, including gift icon, gift thumbnail, gift slider, card, message, classic bundle, mix and match, frequently bought together, quantity break. Please note that the quantity break block has now been replaced by volume discount and is currently available only for merchants using the older version of the BOGOS app. You can display multiple blocks on the page to display the offer type related to the products. Once everything is set up, click Publish and preview your store to see how the BOGOS offers are displayed on your Gempages pages. And that's it. Thank you for watching.